Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today me and my sister is going to my Mashi's house in Kailashahar. If you guys don't know anything about Kailashahar, then it's a small city in Tripura. It's located along the Bangladesh border. If you came here in Tripura for traveling, then you should go there. There are a lot of places you can go and explore. The most beautiful thing in Kailashahar is the tea garden. They are mesmerizing. If you really want to experience the beauty of Tripura, then Kailashahar would be a great option for you. I already went so many places in Kailashahar, so I am not going to travel so much. I just want to spend some time with my family, and that's why I am here. But if you guys want to come here for traveling and you want any information about this city, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely answer if I know the answer. As you guys already know, I am a food lover, so how can I miss this famous dal puri in Kailashahar? I love them eating. Whenever I came here, I always try them. Actually, phone is not allowed inside, but I didn't notice that. After my shoot, my sister told me. So if you guys go there, don't do this. I did it mistakenly, but you are allowed to record the outside view. My brother is making pancake for us. If you want to try this, then ingredients name are in my description. You can go and check. If you guys have siblings, then it's normal for you, but if you guys don't have, then let me tell you, in this situation you have to be good in mathematics. Pancake equal to 1, siblings equal to 3, so my brother is trying to cut it equally so that everyone can have equal piece of pancakes. It's normal for us. Actually, spending time with family, it's really so peaceful. If you are a student or a worker who is working 24 hours and now you are fed up from your 24 hours job, then take a break, spend some time with your family. It's really gonna help you. So that's all for today. I hope you love this video. See you next week. Bye.